How far will Tesla Roadside Assistance tow my car? If you own a Tesla and are curious about how Tesla Roadside Assistance will tow your car, you're in the right spot. Let's break down the details so you know what to expect. Tesla Roadside Assistance primarily provides towing services to transport your vehicle to the nearest Tesla service center. This is especially important when your car faces a mechanical breakdown that is covered under warranty. The standard towing coverage allows for free towing up to 500 miles to the closest Tesla service center. This distance is quite generous compared to many other roadside assistance plans, which often cover shorter distances. If your Tesla is within approximately 8 hours of driving, or about 500 miles, the towing service will generally be at no cost to you. However, if you find yourself needing a tow beyond that 500-mile limit, you will be responsible for any additional costs. It's also worth noting that Tesla's roadside assistance is specific to Tesla service centers only. This means your vehicle will not be towed to third-party repair shops or other locations. This policy ensures that your Tesla is serviced by technicians who are specifically trained for Tesla vehicles. There are some exceptions to keep in mind. If your vehicle is out of warranty or if the issue is not covered by the warranty, towing services may not be included, or you could incur charges. Additionally, the service does not cover towing due to battery depletion, vehicle misuse, accidents, vandalism, or hazardous conditions like off-road situations or extreme weather. For flat tires, Tesla typically provides towing or transportation services free of charge to the nearest Tesla store or local tire center within 25 miles. If you need to go beyond that distance, you may be responsible for those transportation costs. When considering auto insurance, it is important to note that Tesla's roadside assistance towing coverage is somewhat separate from typical insurance roadside assistance benefits. While many insurance policies include towing coverage, the distance and flexibility regarding the destination may differ. Tesla's towing is specifically to Tesla service centers and can cover up to 500 miles if your vehicle is under warranty. This can be a great advantage for Tesla owners. In summary, Tesla Roadside Assistance will tow your car free of charge up to 500 miles to the nearest Tesla service center if your vehicle is under warranty and the issue is covered. If you go beyond that distance or if your vehicle is out of warranty, you would be responsible for any towing costs. This policy ensures that your Tesla receives specialized repair, but it may also encourage Tesla owners to consider additional insurance coverage or plans for broader roadside assistance options.